In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your company account after successfully starting a new subscription, whether that's a trial or paid subscription. And so if this is the first time logging in after creating that subscription, you'll likely be automatically brought to the My Account Settings tab. But if not, use the upper navigation bar, click Support, then My Account, and that'll bring you to the My Account page, and then ensure that you're on the My Profile tab, which will display two sections, one for user details at the top, which includes fields to edit the name on your login, and this is the name that will be displayed on reports. And then you have your subscription email address here. If you need to edit that, you can. There's a note here that this is not shared with clients, so this is not what would show up on accounts. Your company email is used, which is below. And then there's a field to add a license number. If you do have a license in your specific state that you're working, you can enter it in here. And then below that is some subscription management information, such as your current subscription type, when it renews, and then you have a green button for managing billing. This will take you to the Stripe billing portal, which is my third-party subscription management service. You can edit and change your payment information if needed. And then you can use the blue button to change your password if you need to change that. And then you also have an option to quickly cancel your subscription using the red button. After any of this information is changed, just make sure you click the Update User Details button. And after updating it, you'll get a notification that your account was updated. Now, more importantly, just below the user information is the company details information. You'll want to uh, ensure that this information reflects your company. And so you have your business name that would be shown on reports along with the contact information, address, and phone number. And then you can also provide a company email, again, that would be shown on reports that you'll likely give your clients. So you'll want to make sure that's all public information that you want shown to your clients. And then there is an internal company email with a note here that this is not shared outside the app. It's for users. So if you have add-on team members set up on your account, this would be an email that they can use to click a button once a report or checkup report or a quote is completed to send that to an internal office email. Um, and then just below this is uploading a company logo. So if you want to customize the look of your reports to make it look like your company's header, you can upload your logo there. Needs to be an image type file, a PNG or JPEG. And then you have some options to customize what the PDFs look like. So report footer text, this is placed at the very end of the PDFs. And so this is a what you see is what you get type editor here. So you can style this any way you like. Um, Here in Texas, as an example, we are required to put a disclaimer provided by TCEQ. So this would be a great place to put that information. And then next we have a quote title. And so if you want to change what quotes are called, you can um, enter in information here. If you leave it blank, it'll just be called a repair quote. So we do have users that want to call it an invoice or an estimate. So you can enter in whatever you you like there, and that will be reflective on the PDFs. And then specifically for those quotes, estimates, or invoices, you have some disclaimer text that's placed below the quote table, and you can enter in that information here. There is some default text that we provide, but you can edit this as you see fit. And then lastly, you have an option to calculate taxes on quotes. So if you do want automatic tax calculation, you'll want to enable this option. And then you can enter in a company default rate. So if you're in a state where there's just one tax rate that would be used on all of your services, you would enter it here. There's also an option to override this on a site or property specific basis. Uh, Taxes are covered in a separate video. So once all of your company information is updated, just ensure that you use the blue button at the very bottom uh, that says update company details. And again, you'll be notified that the account record has been updated. So ensure that you do this to make sure that your PDF reports are reflective of the correct information.